This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has just over 41,000 miles. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to an unwavering transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking truck.